Guys, you can smell it. It smells so good.
Subscribe.
Yeah man guys, see it here? Jackfruit seasoned rice. This is the next video. You know? So, I'm showing you how to do this. Yeah man, I'm showing you how to do it. Guys, I'm showing you how to do this. But before I go on the video, I want to give you a like and comment below and tell me what you think about this idea. Yeah man, and share the video. Share to everybody. Yeah man. Share to them and say what they know about this style jackfruit seasoned rice. Tell somebody about it. Yeah man. And make sure say them subscribe. And make sure say you subscribe too. Yeah man, and make sure follow me on Instagram Jeff876 and Yaad Adventures. The link for the page them down below. So just go over there and give me a follow up on the page them. Yeah man, so I jump right at the video now. Yeah man guys, that's everything I'm gonna use. I have me cutting board, coconut powder, saltfish, jackfruit, rice, and my powder season. Yeah man, that's everything I'm gonna use. So I try now to catch fire. Yeah man, I'm catching fire right here so. Yeah man guys, so I'm gonna put on saltfish first to boil off. Yeah man, so take it to the bag, wash it off, put it on the fire. Alright guys, the last piece this. Yeah man, that is it. So what I go in here? Yeah. So I put them in the bag. Put time being. The camera, can you see? Yeah man guys, so one time when him the saltfish will boil off. Check him back with now. Yeah man, so saltfish done boil off and now so I have to clean up it and pick it up. Wow, it'll kill me. Cool down a bit so I can't touch it. It's really hot. Yeah man, that's it guys, so clean up the saltfish now. Come on. Yes, so. Yeah man guys, so I coconut powder time now, you know. And I'll try the saltfish same time. You can try the same time too.
Can't tell that. No sir that I do.
You know what me I do? I never heard it before. Trying that too. Stir up it. throwing jackfruit to guys. Doing everything one time I know.
Yeah man, you know, come on. Cause of you.
So I tell them now guys to throw in onion, the skeleton time and pepper. Yeah man. Yeah man guys, so this will go ripen for you now.
You know, say you are cameraman, no?
Alright guys, so fire is going to put on the fire.
All this.
Remember, say no on a big fire in the cause. Alright, I got steam. So guys, I'm give it 10 minutes to boil up and then I throw in the rice. Yeah man, so give it 10 minutes guys, so soon come back. Yeah man guys, man, pick a jelly. Oh, no go away.
Yeah man. How do you pick it? You know, say a Jevan auntie.
Yeah man guys, so I'm drink a jelly right now. Man guys, so put it like a big knife, you know? Drink a jelly and wash off your heart. That is it, so soon train rice. One time rice I go in, I make you know, so soon come back. Start boil up it. Start boil up.
Cooking now for me is.
Yeah man guys, see my wash rice I know.
What's going on? Cooking. Oh.
Yeah, cook.
Bad cook, yeah?
Wash your rice you and throw in the rest of the pot. You make you waste no youth.
No, make you waste so much.
I didn't think that's your fish, your dad. Yeah man guys, I'm throwing the rice. Scrape out every grain. Every grain scrape out because I know somebody want. You know what I mean? Yeah man guys, enough person want to taste this Yaad is. So can't make none waste. Yeah man, cause everybody say, yo, what you do? I tell them jackfruit seasoned rice. Everybody amazed by the idea. Yeah man, some mistake, anything come to mind, then execute it. Eat that? So let me see if I'm water tonight. Yeah man guys, see pepper there. When I burst it, I'm gonna eat and want flavor. Alright, start to read. What on, let me see. Chocolate quick in there. More man, show more in there.
Show you what I eat there?
No. Crazy.
One plate tape, I'm gonna try my name.
Yeah man.
Right. Give me that now.
Yeah man guys, so see it here guys. Jackfruit seasoned rice. Yeah man. So I taste it now and say taste. I taste it a while ago now, like before the rice on steam. But more and taste with the jackfruit and the sausage and everything together. Look here guys. A nice pumpkin here. The pumpkin look like that nice. But enough to take guys. Yeah man guys, so my taste it now. Alright, the texture of the rice, I like it because I don't like when the rice too shelly. Yeah, I like when the rice have body. Not bad. bad. The jackfruit, guys, and the rice, a different flavor. Yeah, man, you have a sweet flavor, I like. Yeah. And guys, remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe.